I love track days.
We got today off, June 19th. We got drifting, hot laps. The weather's great. We're saving tires. What can I say? We're having a good time.
They go circle, you know, they like back home, you know, it's so crazy, man.
Sick. Hell yeah. We out here drifting, driving, got private track day, AFS, baby.
Decided to smack the wall with.
We're never letting Coles drive again.
She even got me on camera.
Blaming me.
Yep, keep going.
Yeah, now we rolling. Keep going. Right there, stop. Sorry, wheel.
Okay, so I can't really get good access, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that wheel off real quick and then just smack it from the backside to straighten it out, and then we're Gucci.
Who's winning? Oh, it's us for sure. We got the cool helmets in here.
Day 2 track event at PPIR. We have these stupid chrome refrigerators, plaid and the GTR and the Type S, and the stupid BMW that followed us. So overall, pretty good day, and we are.
Crazy fast.
Dude, that thing is so slow, but it's dope.
Track days.
I'm tired. I'm beat down, a little sleepy, but it was great. I had a great day. 6 hours.
Nothing broke. The Z got a little bit beat up. What can you do?
Today was sick. Some people learned how to drift. Collins, shout out to Collins. First time drifting a car and almost linked the track. Everybody did good. Kevin crashed the blue one, so now everybody else can crash it. It's not as big of a deal. What the?
Great day. Very great day. Took out the 240. Did very well actually. And nothing broke.
Nice guy. Yo, roll the montage of Jay.
So pumped that we got this good relationship with PPIR. We got 10 more track days to do. The Z's will survive. They'll survive. Apparently airbags still go off if you tap barriers. Overall, pretty fucking sick. Everybody had a fucking great time. They ended up being pretty good. We're gonna load up and head home and go eat.